Romania.
Hello and welcome back to Culinary Haven. Last week we posted our brownies summer edition on Instagram and received a request for the recipe, and we're only happy to oblige. Let's begin. And we'll start with melting the butter, the chocolate and the sugar. 250 grams of butter, 300 grams of dark chocolate, 70% cocoa solids, and 300 grams of golden caster sugar, but if you don't have golden, just caster sugar. And we're going to put this in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time. Take it out, stir it, and then put it back in for another 30 seconds until the chocolate, the butter and sugar all melted. But don't put it for more than 30 seconds at a time, because we don't want to burn the chocolate. So as you can see, everything has melted, and I'll just give it a stir. The butter was at room temperature, so if you can remember to take it an hour or so out of the fridge before you start making them. And now we're going to add to the mixture 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of honey, and half a teaspoon of salt. And give it all a good stir. The next step, the eggs. We need 6 eggs, which we'll need to whisk together with either electric whisk or handheld whisk until they're nice and frothy. 6 eggs into a bowl. That's enough. And now we're going to gradually fold in the whisked eggs into the chocolate mixture. The chocolate mixture is not hot, but just in case it is, when you add a little bit of eggs, you temper the eggs and cool down the mixture. Getting thicker and thicker as the eggs cool down the mixture. And now the flour. 1 cup or 150 grams of flour, plain flour. Sifting it as I used to. Some people add baking powder to their brownies. I don't, because I think that if you add baking powder, you're effectively making a chocolate cake. Fold in gently. We call them summer brownies because we add dried strawberries or dried raspberries, whatever you have, or you can also use any dried berries, preferably tart. That's the best combination with chocolate. I'm actually going to make half of the brownies with dried strawberries and the other half with dried raspberries, and I'll show you the consistency will be the same. I'm not going to fold them in because the mixture is very thick and I'm not sure I will distribute all the fruit evenly. I will just pour half of the batter into the prepared baking tray and then scatter the dried fruit and then put the other half on top. I'm going to bake the brownies in a baking tray which is a 25 by 20 by 3.5 centimeters, which I lined with greaseproof parchment. Just spread it gently with an offset spatula. And now we're going to put half a cup of chopped dried strawberries. Just sprinkle it everywhere so that every bite, every little square is going to have some. And half a cup of dried chopped raspberries. And pour the second half of the batter on top. And try and make it even, so you don't need to actually spread it much after you pour it in and disturb the berries. And now we're just going to give it a little tap. And now it's going into the preheated to 180 degrees Celsius oven for anywhere between 20 to 25 minutes. Usually in my oven it takes 22 minutes. This is it, ready. It took exactly 22 minutes and I just took it out of the baking tray and put it on the cooling rack before I slice it. Now I'm going to cut them into squares. Ideally, I like to let the brownies cool completely before I slice them. So just let it cool. Thank you for watching this episode of Culinary Haven. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment and subscribe. Until next time.